Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you will be known what is MySQL. Let's begin the session. MySQL is a relational database management system on SQL structured query language which will function perfectly to read, write, and perform the query structure actions in the database. The application is used for wide range of purposes, including data warehousing, e-commerce portal, and logging applications and blogs where you want to save the data and store with the purpose of retrieving in a dynamic way. You'll use this MySQL relational database management system. And SQL, what is SQL? The SQL is structured query language. This is the language where we can make it as in a program wise. We can create a queries and creating like a insert query, update query, delete query to like a interact with along with the data parameters to store our database. Using stored procedures, triggers, views, and functions we use to write the SQL language program for functionalities to the database activities. Why it is so popular? Yes, it is so popular, making offering many advanced features or reliability for beyond a typical freeware project. Successful companies such as Verizon, Netflix, and Twitter rely on MySQL databases to power their businesses. In addition to being free, another very appealing aspect of MySQL is open source nature, and you need not to buy it. Having a license of the like MySQL, it's not required to aware of it. Why use only MySQL? SQL is the most popular language for adding, accessing, and managing the content in a database. It is most noted for its quick processing, proven reliability, ease, and flexibility of use. I hope you are understand about to why we require to use only MySQL because of its open source and free to aware of it. So very so important and performance also will give you like a licensed version. Thank you for watching this lecture. In next lectures onwards, we'll jump start to interact with MySQL database and more functionalities along with the PHP. Thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you.